She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. I am Ikra, the founder of createcraft BD, and today I again came up with my BTS journal. And today I'm going to show you how to make a spread out of your journal. And today's episode, I am actually betting you it is going to be more colorful as we're talking about Jungkook. So here is our Jungkook, and here is my first ever attempt of journaling, and it is all about Kim Tae-hang, and he's my bias, and I love everything about him, and I just adore him so much. I'm sorry. And here's a flap I have added as an extra part, and I have wrote lots of additional inspirational quotes from his song only. And here is the second page where I have decorated his behavioral things and lots of emotions that I have for him. So, and I decorated it with some foil, glitters and everything regarding to make the pages look the best out of all. So here goes my second page, and this is my third page, which I have made from Junkies. Junkies, like as you can see at in the left page, I have used my unwanted printed paper and also my envelope papers, which is totally unwanted, and I don't want to waste them. So yes, this is how I practically use things and utilize them. So here comes the Jungkook's part. As you know, Jungkook is the free spirit, and I basically am not that much fond of Jungkook, but his voice, my goodness, his voice made me do everything for him. You can hear his voice like it's like heavenly, like it is heavenly for your ears to listen for hours. So yeah, that was my first ever outlet for Jungkook, and here's the second outlet for Jungkook, and I made it and personalized it for him. And at in the right side I have wrote a letter for him, and also I have added some stickers when he tends to have long hairs, and he used to look so cute, just like my cousin. Sorry. And this is the outer look that I have. So we will be moving on into our next page, which we are going to decorate today. So let's head into the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.
Tonight I feel so cold by looking at you, and it's 29:4. I hear your voice by years, and
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
We were best friends. I mean, I knew everything about this girl. I knew her favorite color. I knew her favorite food.
Yeah.
You are your presence, existence far away. You are your voices, your colors in the air. I'll wait for your voice to hum with. No one can understand. I was a loser, so blind of desires. I don't know what I wanna do. I don't know how I gotta do. Losing faith, losing mind, lost the path. So easy to feel, so easy to see. Break broken, it's just a daily meal for me. Till I know you, I didn't know what to do. I was messed up. Oh, I was losing hope. Like you wanted to give up, but there is something pulled me back. I can't cry, just wanna scream. Sweets are my only friends. Oh, it tastes bitter. My hands are tired, and I lost my hope. Till I see you, I didn't know what to do. Far away, you are your presence, existence. Far away, you are your voices, your colors in the air. I'll wait for your voice to hum with. Wanna reach you, only you. The wave of your voice sounds beautiful to me each time. The wave of your lingered words got me crying, and so. I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give